How do you turn off your active on Instagram? Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can turn off your active on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, turning off your active status on Instagram is fairly simple. You simply open up the Instagram application and sign into your account, then tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen here. Tap on the three lines option located at the top right hand side of the screen, and then over here you should see a couple of details. Now, since Instagram layouts keep changing frequently, I won't say you to tap on this option or that option. The easiest way I recommend you do is just go to the search bar here and then just type in active, and once you type that, you'll see show activity status as a search result. So select that, and all you have to do is simply make sure to turn off these toggles and your active status on Instagram will get successfully turned off. This way you can turn off active on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.